Are you looking for a DIY carpet cleaning solution for spotting carpet and for cleaning clothes? We've got the solution for you. I'm Steve from MoneySmartFamily.com. Stay tuned to get all the details. This is really one of the simplest carpet cleaning solutions we found. We spot our carpet pretty regularly. We have lots of events at our house. And what we use is Dawn blue detergent and hydrogen peroxide. And we mix it up with 2 ounces of Dawn dish soap, and that's what I've got in here. And I'm going to add 6 ounces of hydrogen peroxide. So it's a 3-to-1 ratio. So 6 ounces, not quite a cup. Now I put the Dawn in first and then put the hydrogen peroxide in and then stir it to get the Dawn to release from the sides of the beaker or measuring cup. And this is the bottle we use. The Dawn eventually loses its blue color, but that doesn't mean it's stopped working. I think the hydrogen peroxide is what bleaches it out, essentially. It's that simple. That's how we mix up our DIY carpet cleaning solution, and we're going to show you some other uses for it too. The first step when we spot a carpet is we just vacuum first, just to get up any extraneous dirt. Once I'm done with that, I usually come in with just a rag with water on it, because I just want to see if the dirt will come off without using any solution, because the fewer chemicals you use on your carpet, the longer it'll last. So those look like they're coming up okay, but this one over here, that looks like it's still there, and this over here looks like it's still here. So I'm going to spray them. We just spray with a little bit, and then rub it in with a clean rag, and rub all directions and kind of spread it out. I sprayed it a little too thick there. It's foaming, so I'm going to blot it. And I see another spot right here. Give it a little spray too. Once you've rubbed it all in, then you take that same wet rag, use a clean spot on it, and just try and take as much of the detergent and hydrogen peroxide out of the carpet as possible. That way it won't attract dirt later on. And I usually clean the whole area just so there's no hot spots. That looks good as new. Then finish by vacuuming. Here's the before and after of how it looked on the carpet, and if you think that's great, wait till you see what it can do in the laundry. Watch the next section.
Another use for this spot remover, the Dawn and hydrogen peroxide cleaner, is to take some spots out of clothes for the laundry. Okay, here's a little onesie from our granddaughter, and it has some diaper spots on it. And so I am going to spray it with our awesome solution, and then I'm going to wash it, and you're going to see what it looks like after the laundry. Okay, this was a onesie that my granddaughter soiled, and it didn't come completely clean after the first washing. So it will require spotting and washing a second time. But after the second time, it should be perfectly clean. Stains that have been set in and left for several days are a little bit harder to get out. So I've used this solution on tablecloths that I've used at weddings, and sometimes it takes a couple of washings to get it out, but it will come out. That's the cool thing about this stuff. So sometimes it has to soak overnight in the garment before you wash it, but it will come out. The stain on this little onesie was right around this area, and after 2 washings, it is completely gone.
Hey, we hope you enjoyed this DIY carpet cleaner and spot remover video. If you liked it, leave us a comment or give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel and watch these videos next.